I'm gonna to make some chill music. Wait, something to take it easy, So chat. Okay, wait. I think we're gonna start again. Wait. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Here we go. So chat. You're one of a kind. Your profile should be too. Enter basic info. What's your name? Alex. I think last name it's not acquired. I think it's optional, right? Yeah. Continue with Apple. No, thank you. Provide your
15 minutes later.
Okay, chat. Wait, give me a sec. I'm gonna to set up the profile, and then I wanna show you. I mean, I wanna take it and set it up like easy. You know what I'm saying? Low key, basic stuff. I wanna see if something happens. You know? It happens. We never know. Reaction, and here we go. So it's really simple, right? I took 4 pictures today and 2 videos. I don't want to be too cringe, you know what I'm saying? I want to take it really easy. I'm gonna see if we can match something. So, first picture, right? Valid. It's quite valid, right? Or it's just too cringe. I don't give a fuck. Come on. Yeah, quick video. Again, wait, we can zoom it like that. Yeah, that's video. Yeah, nice pic with my dog. This was actually in Norway this summer. Pretty nice there. It was in summer too. I mean, I'm working out, so yeah. We're gonna. Come on. Write your profile. Select a prompt. That's actually tough. Wait. Typical Sunday. A life goal of mine. To be the best streamer in the world. That's his dream. I keep believing, keep working. You know what I'm saying? Right, chat. Next one. A wrong fact. I love like the way to win me always my greatest strength. This year I want to change my life and to be able to take care of my whole family. Take care of my family. Sorry for my English. I mean, you know what I mean? Change my life and to be able to take care of my family. Next one. My greatest strength. We'll go with that. I think my greatest strength is to be. I'm very determined on what I wanna do. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. We go ahead. Add a voice prompt to your profile.
The worst idea I've ever had was dye my hair blonde. I thought I would look like David Beckham, but instead it just went green after swimming.
What the fuck, bro? That's shit, actually. Add a voice prompt to your profile. I be my blues by. I can cook, but we can cook together. Yeah, we can do that shit because I'm very, very bad at cooking. I can't do nothing actually in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can cook, but we can cook together and have some fun. That's actually really cringe. Real people reconnection. I agree. Yeah. Wait, give me a sec, 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 give me a sec. Give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec. Wait. Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Wait. Hold on, let's see who catches your eye. Okay. We're gonna to send some likes right now. Yeah. Hello? Grace. Enjoy answering these prompts. Shit. 27, Central. She's a dog. 163. Yeah. Wait. Wait a sec, wait a sec, wait a sec, wait a sec, wait a sec. Let me pass it. Yeah. Sorry. I don't want to be mad. Rita. Eat healthy and focus on becoming a better version of it. That's good. That's actually really good. Wait. And focus becoming a better version of myself. Wait, give me a sec. We can take this journey together. Let's see. Yeah. Come on. Hell yeah. Emily. I live in China for a month. I've now been to Disneyland. I survived the Black Diamond Black Rattlesnake by 28 woman 159. She's pretty small. We like that shit, right? Actor, New York, English Korean. Hell yeah. I mean, she's never been to Disneyland. I mean, we can bring her to Disneyland. When are you free? When I'm free, so I can take you to Disneyland. We go for it. Yes, sir. Next one. I'll make more money than you. That is 23. And I know some. You be mean Mario Kart for sure. English person. What we should do, Chad? We're gonna pass it. I kinda like her. She looks good. I mean, she's a dentist, right? I wanna wait. I wanna. What can I write, Chad? What can I write? Help me out. I need. Wait. She's a dentist, right? I need to go to dentist for a check. Can I come to you? Let me know. Shit. We keep it out. Next one. Lisa, I geek out on video games. I'm better for sure. She's from Germany, Italy. Passing tiramisu. Yeah. I beat you on every game. Wait. I bet everything that I can bet you on video games. Come on, your legs are at the top. I put needles in people for a living. Oof. 25, woman straight, Christian. Oh, that's good. Stitch plus truck combo, gentle bullying. She's really okay. Caitlin, she's looking good for a living. She's working out a lot. She's working a lot. So next, I mean, I gonna really simple next workout together. I'm gonna send some likes. I mean, you choose whatever to connect with people that like you. A double date for me and my girl next month. 22, woman straight, 159. Student nurse, Italian. She's from Italy. I'm traveling the world. I mean, if she's really Italian. Okay, wait. If you are really Italian. Now I'm gonna send write something in Italian. Wait, give me a sec. If you're really Italian. The position of the dog. Not bad there. Quite comfy, right? Green flags look out for. I can read. 25. Good. Oh, hell yeah. Hike beach, book dinner, early bed, yes. Who cares, man? Don't treat anyways. I like the vibes, yeah. Walking around, I'll go. I need some help, right now. Wait, we have to cook today. We have to take it easy, and then we're gonna see Friday if some match is coming or not. Can I read? Typical on hike, beach, book, dinner, early bed, yes. We're gonna use it today too. We can go for a hike together. Yo, yeah. Running away from a province. Actually, a nice view, right? Yeah. 26. Spending all my money on flights. Should like to travel. I'm a twin. I crossed the Atlantic yet. I live in Japan. Santa Carmen's Tower is me to months of travelers. What we can do right now. I mean, I don't. Sorry. Wait. Can you cook for me a nice banana bread? No way. Fuck.